Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now today, we'd like to delve into the recent happening in the political space of Nigeria. Nigerians' political unrests, Bobrisky's reply, and explosive fests, latest happenings in Nigeria. In the ever-dynamic political and social landscape of Nigeria, news stories unfold daily that capture the nation's attention and spark debates. Today, we'll delve into key developments that are shaping the future of the country, from explosive political clashes to personal controversies and industrial disaster. Yes, we begin with the internet sensation Idris Okinye, popularly known as Bobrisky, who is making waves yet again. Recently, a legal battle ignited between Bobrisky and the respected human rights lawyer Falana. The Falanas warned Bobrisky to retract an alleged claim that he paid them to secure a presidential pardon.
Young people are just not prepared to look at the provisions of the law with respect to the law on defamation.
But Bobrisky has responded forcefully.
What's happened? Bobrisky tomorrow. If not Bobrisky next tomorrow. See, we have so many celebrities in Nigeria. Talk about them. Just leave Bobrisky for 1 month. I beg you, bloggers. Bobrisky. Wait, you want to do BP?
I never said I gave the Falanas any money for a presidential pardon, and I don't owe anyone an apology. This very rebuttal comes as Femi Falana's team files a lawsuit seeking 500 million naira in damages from Very Dark Man, alleging defamation. Bobrisky's personal persona has always been controversial, but this legal battle with one of Nigeria's most prominent lawyers is set to become even more heated. While Bobrisky's battles in court, another heated debate is unraveling online. The Renokus, a vocal and often controversial group of individuals from different parts of the Yoruba land, have clashed yet again, this time over the future of leadership in Lagos State. The Renokus are in a turmoil after some indigenous Lagosians claim it's time for one of their own to lead the state. Despite 25 years of democratic rule, no true Lagosian has ever served as governor. This clash has even reignited ethnic tension, particularly in the wake of the recent viral protest against the Igbos in Lagos. While this debate rages on, another tragedy has struck in the heart of Nigeria's industrial sector. Today, the country witnessed its first ever explosion involving a compressed natural gas (CNG) vehicle at a filling station in Benin, Edo State. This explosion comes after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration encouraged Nigerians to convert their cars from expensive petrol to CNG as part of a national PR campaign. While many have seen this as a potential solution to soaring fuel costs, today's explosion have raised critical questions about the safety of this conversion. Government officials were quick to attribute the explosion to improper installation, insisting that CNG is still a viable alternative for Nigerians looking to cut fuel costs. But the incident has shaken public confidence in the program, as many wonder if this is the beginning of a bigger safety issue. Meanwhile, Vice President Shettima's recent trip to Sweden has also drawn scrutiny. Critics question why Shettima left the country while President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is on leave, leaving Nigeria with a leadership gap during a time of national crisis. Despite the criticisms, Shettima was spotted meeting with the Crown Prince of Sweden and delivered a speech at the Business Forum. His speech, which focused on economic cooperation between Nigeria and Sweden, did little to quell the concerns of many Nigerians who felt his presence was needed more at home, given the nation's current challenges. But perhaps the most recent development in Nigeria's political scene this week was the alleged attempted ousting of Senate President Godswill Akpabio. It was rumored that officials from the Department of State Security, DSS, dressed in masks, stormed the National Assembly in a bid to forestall his hoisting. Senate President Godswill Akpabio dismissed these allegations as laughable, and today the Senate passed a vote of confidence in his leadership.
Those who support that this vote of confidence on the Senate leadership be carried, say aye. Those against, say nay. They are not here. The ayes have it.
For now, the impeachment rumors have been quashed, but in the chaotic world of Nigerian politics, anything is possible. From the controversies of social media to the clashes in government and beyond, these are the stories shaping Nigeria today. Do well to stay tuned for more as these situations continue to unfold. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest updates on Nigerians' ever-changing political and social scenes. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We truly do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.